The beloved coconut, it's one of the most versatile fruits in the world, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 ways that you should be using it. I like to use this one. It's a pressed liquid coconut oil by Cocoa Earth. It stays liquid and doesn't solidify like traditional virgin coconut oil because it's got 4 times more medium chain triglycerides. So it's easier to apply, it's less messy I find, and it's a healthier option as well if you're thinking about eating or cooking with it. Once a week, I like to get a tablespoon of coconut oil and just swish it around in my mouth for 15 or 20 minutes in efforts to improve my oral health, and this practice is known as oil pulling. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, and carrying out oil pulling supposedly helps reduce plaque adhesion and accumulation. This by no means is a substitute for good brushing and flossing practices, but it is an extra step that you can add into your routine. Coconut oil is often used solo, and I think people forget that it's an excellent carrier oil. Essential oils like eucalyptus, rosemary, tea tree oil are generally too strong to use by themselves. And this is where coconut oil comes in because it's an excellent carrier oil. The day before my hair wash day, I like to add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil into a teaspoon of coconut oil and apply that directly to my scalp and give myself a good scalp massage. And this just helps promote hair growth and gives me a little bit of a scalp treatment. Staying on the hair train, coconut oil is an excellent hair conditioner and it can be used before or after hopping into the shower. So a study comparing the properties of 3 oils found that coconut oil was the only oil that helped reduce protein loss from the hair due to damage because it has a high affinity for hair proteins and it's able to penetrate the hair shaft. Last but not least, and this may be an obvious one, but coconut oil is an excellent makeup remover. It really helps break everything down, especially things like waterproof mascara. I particularly worry about any makeup removers that I use on my eyes. I worry about the preservatives and ingredients they use. I don't want it to cause any irritation to my eyes or any long-term issues. And coconut oil, it's natural. It's really gentle. And I feel like you don't really have to tug at your eyes, which is great because you don't want to cause any premature aging or wrinkles, but it's just fantastic as a first step cleanse before you go in with your face wash. And that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you found these methods of using coconut oil helpful. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.